Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view your Facebook profile as the public sees it. This feature is super useful if you want to know what others can see on your profile. So let's get started. First, open up the Facebook app on your phone. And once you are on Facebook, tap on the three lines at the top left corner of the screen. And then tap on your profile at the top. Once you are on your profile page, tap on the three dots next to Edit Profile. From the menu, you have to simply tap on View As. Now you are in public view mode. Here you can scroll through and check what posts, photos and details are visible to people who are not friends with you. And that's it. Now you know how to view your Facebook profile as the public sees it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.